Hi, my name is Kinsey. I just wanted to get on here and give you guys kind of, hope and things like that in order to get your smile back like I did. I struggle with a very, very harsh gum disease that rots your teeth from inside out. And about 2.5 years ago, I was simply eating a cheeseburger and my front tooth came completely out. I was devastated. My smile was everything to me. And it just really took my confidence away. I stayed in my home the majority of the time. I stayed even away from my own family. I couldn't bring myself to go out. I ended up quitting my job because I was just so embarrassed to go out and about and smile or anything like that. Everybody was so quick to judge and was always just like, oh, I'm sure she probably did drugs and, things like that. And like that wasn't the case. I just struggled with a gum disease. And I finally worked up the courage to actually do some research and digging into Pop On Veneers. I was very hesitant at first. I was like, oh, is this company just going to take my money? Are they actually going to fit my teeth? Are they going to, work? Am I going to be happy, And finally, I just sucked it up one day and I was like, this is it. I'm going to do it. And I'm just not going to second guess it or anything. The first 24 hours of wearing them, it took me a little bit of time to get used to because I have one, two, three, four. I have about 5 teeth missing in the front. So it did take me a little bit of time to get used to them and things like that. But after that, it feels natural now, and I can smile. I can talk confidently. I can go out and about and not feel ashamed, I guess you could say. I don't feel like people are constantly looking at my mouth when I'm talking to them and things. But if you are considering Pop On Veneers, I definitely recommend it. Don't hold back. I'll even show you guys. This is how confident I've gotten with being able to have my smile back. So here goes nothing. That's my smile without my Pop On Veneers. But now I can smile with confidence. I talk with confidence. I love taking pictures with my kids now. Before, I was always the person behind the camera after I had lost that first tooth. But now I want to be in front of the camera. I want to take those pictures with my kids. I want those memories, I feel like I got my life back with my smile. And it's all thanks to Pop On Veneers. So like I said, if you guys are on the edge and you don't really know, or you're skeptical, I will be the first one to tell you, go for it. Do it. Do not hold yourself back. Get your smile back. It is an amazing feeling to have my smile back. I can't thank Pop On Veneers enough. They have done wonders for me. They don't even know the depth of what they've done for me and my confidence in bringing my smile back. It's been amazing. I get to hold on to memories with my children. I have an 8-year-old and an almost 1-year-old. And before, I did not want pictures. I did not care anything about being in pictures. And now I get to hold on to all those little memories with them because I want to be in front of the camera. All because of Pop On Veneers. So I just want to say thank you to Pop On Veneers and anybody that's on the ledge, the edge, whatever you want to call it. Jump. Do it. Go full speed ahead. Get yourself a set of Pop On Veneers because they're absolutely amazing.